Today I'm going to show you how to repair a busted hose with a compression fitting hose mender and a heavy duty repair fitting. All you need to do this is a garden pruner and a screwdriver. So let's begin. Go ahead and unscrew the top of the compression fitting mender. You slide the piece on. You go ahead and fit that on to the hose. Slide it back and screw the top on. There you go. Now I'll show you how to repair with the heavy duty repair fitting. All you need is a screwdriver. Take out the screws.
Go.
Once you have the screws removed, go ahead and slide the fitting into the hose. Like so. Put the endings on. And go ahead and insert the screws and tighten it, and your hose should be good to go.